you ever walked into a coffee shop and suddenly felt nervous?
Yes, I know words like coffee, latte, and cappuccino, but when the barista asks me a question, my mind goes blank.
That is very common. Many English learners know coffee words, but they do not know the natural chunks people use in real cafes.
What is a chunk?
A chunk is a group of words that people use together again and again. Today, we will learn 5 natural English chunks for ordering coffee.
Great, I want to sound polite and natural.
Welcome back to FluentMindee, where we help you speak English in a simple, natural, and practical way.
Today's topic is 5 natural English chunks for ordering coffee.
By the end of this lesson, you will know how to order coffee politely, choose a size, ask for hot or iced coffee, and request milk, sugar, or another extra.
Nice, let's start.
Many learners say, "I want coffee."
Is that wrong?
The grammar is not wrong, but it can sound too direct. In a cafe, we usually sound more polite.
So what should I say?
Chunk number 1 is, "Can I get a blank?"
Can I get a blank?
Meaning, I would like to order this.
When do we use it?
Use it when you order a drink or food. For example, can I get a coffee? Can I get a latte? Can I get an iced coffee?
Wrong versus natural.
Less natural, I want 1 coffee.
Natural. Can I get a coffee, please?
Good. Conversation 1.
Barista. Hi, what can I get for you?
Customer. Can I get a latte, please?
Barista. Sure, what size?
Customer. Medium, please.
Conversation 2. Barista. Hi there, what would you like?
Customer. Can I get an iced coffee, please?
Barista. Of course, anything else?
Customer. That's all, thanks. Repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
Can I get a coffee?
Can I get a coffee?
Can I get a latte?
Can I get a latte?
Can I get an iced coffee, please?
Can I get an iced coffee, please?
Excellent. Chunk number 2 is, I'll have a blank,
I'll have a blank.
meaning I choose this or I would like this.
When do we use it?
Use it when you are ready to order. For example, I'll have a cappuccino. I'll have a small coffee. I'll have an iced latte.
Wrong versus natural.
Less natural, I want cappuccino.
Natural. I'll have a cappuccino, please.
Exactly. Conversation 1.
Barista. What can I get started for you?
Customer. I'll have a small Americano, please.
Barista. Hot or iced?
Customer. Hot, please.
Conversation 2. Barista. Are you ready to order?
Customer. Yes, I'll have an iced latte, please.
Barista. Sure. What size?
Customer. Large, please. Repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
I'll have a coffee.
I'll have a coffee.
I'll have a small latte.
I'll have a small latte.
I'll have an iced coffee, please.
I'll have an iced coffee, please.
Great. Now, chunk number 3 is make it a blank,
Make it a blank.
meaning please prepare my order in this size.
When do we use it?
Use it when the barista asks about size. For example, make it a small, please. Make it a medium, please. Make it a large, please.
Wrong versus natural.
Less natural, give me medium.
Natural. Make it a medium, please.
Good. Conversation 1.
Barista. What can I get started for you?
Customer. Can I get a latte, please?
Barista. Sure. What size?
Customer. Medium, please.
Conversation 2. Barista. Would you like small, medium, or large?
Customer. Make it a large, please.
Barista. No problem.
Customer. Thank you. Repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
Make it a small, please.
Make it a small, please.
Make it a medium, please.
Make it a medium, please.
Make it a large, please.
Make it a large, please.
Great. Quick review. Chunk 1, can I get a?
Can I get a latte?
Chunk 2, I'll have a.
I'll have a cappuccino.
Chunk 3, make it a blank.
Make it a medium, please.
Excellent. In Part 2, we will learn how to ask for iced coffee, how to add milk or sugar, and how to complete a real cafe order. Welcome back. In Part 1, we learned 3 natural chunks.
Yes. Can I get a? I'll have a, and make it a, please.
Perfect. Now, chunk number 4 is, can I have it iced?
Can I have it iced?
Meaning, please make my drink cold with ice.
When do we use it?
Use it when the drink can be hot or iced, like coffee, latte, Americano, mocha, or tea.
So I can say, can I get a latte? Can I have it iced?
Exactly. Very natural.
Wrong versus natural?
Less natural, make cold latte.
Natural. Can I have it iced, please?
Good. Conversation 1.
Barista, what can I get started for you?
Customer, can I get a latte, please?
Barista, sure, hot or iced?
Customer, can I have it iced?
Conversation 2.
Barista, what would you like today?
Customer, I'll have an Americano, please.
Barista, of course.
Customer, can I have it iced?
Barista, sure.
What if I want hot coffee?
If the barista asks hot or iced, you can simply say hot please or hot is fine.
Nice.
Repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
Can I have it iced?
Can I have it iced?
Can I have it iced, please?
Can I have it iced, please?
I'll have a latte. Can I have it iced?
I'll have a latte. Can I have it iced?
Excellent. Chunk number 5 is, could you add?
Could you add?
Meaning, please put something extra in my drink.
When do we use it?
Use it when you want milk, sugar, cream, syrup, or an extra shot.
For example?
Could you add milk? Could you add sugar? Could you add vanilla syrup? Could you add an extra shot?
What is an extra shot?
In a coffee shop, an extra shot usually means extra espresso. It makes the coffee stronger.
Wrong versus natural?
Less natural, put sugar.
Natural. Could you add sugar, please?
Another one. Less natural, I want more coffee power.
Natural. Could you add an extra shot, please?
Great. Conversation 1.
Barista, what can I get for you?
Customer, can I get a latte, please?
Barista, sure.
Customer, could you add milk, please?
Barista, of course.
Conversation 2.
Barista, what would you like today?
Customer, I'll have an Americano, please.
Barista, of course.
Customer, could you add vanilla syrup? Barista, sure.
Repeat after me.
Repeat after me. Could you add milk?
Could you add milk?
Could you add sugar?
Could you add sugar?
Could you add vanilla syrup?
Could you add vanilla syrup?
Could you add an extra shot, please?
Could you add an extra shot, please?
Now, let's put all 5 chunks together in real cafe conversations.
Great.
Conversation 1.
Barista, hi, what can I get for you?
Customer, can I get a latte, please?
Barista, sure, what size?
Customer, make it a medium, please.
Barista, hot or iced?
Customer, can I have it iced?
Barista, anything else?
Customer, that's all, thanks.
Conversation 2.
Barista, hi there, are you ready to order?
Customer, yes, I'll have a cappuccino, please.
Barista, what size would you like?
Customer, make it a small, please.
Barista, sure.
Customer, could you add sugar, please?
Barista, no problem.
This sounds useful for real life.
Yes. Now, quick review.
I'm ready.
Number 1, can I get a?
Can I get a coffee, please?
Number 2, I'll have a.
I'll have a latte, please.
Number 3, make it a, please.
Make it a medium, please.
Number 4, can I have it iced?
Can I have it iced, please?
Number 5, could you add?
Could you add milk, please?
Great. Now here is your speaking challenge.
Challenge time.
Imagine you are at a coffee shop. Order one drink using at least 3 chunks from today's lesson.
For example, can I get a latte, please? Make it a medium.
Or, I'll have a coffee, please. Make it a large. Could you add milk?
Now try your own sentence out loud.
Remember, you do not need complicated English to speak naturally. You need useful chunks that you can use again and again.
Today, we learned 5 natural English chunks for ordering coffee.
Write your coffee order in the comments using today's chunks.
For example, can I get an iced latte, please? Make it a medium.
Like this. Like this video, subscribe to FluentMindee, and keep practicing simple English for real life.
See you in the next lesson.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and see you soon.